You are not alone. I am here with you.
You did really well. You're a very strong and brave woman.
Bye! Bye, Juliana! Have fun! Where's Juliana? Hey, JJ, you can't go with all these girls. Have fun! Going to a special secret location. Are you worried about these girls, Tyson?
Yes, you're not like my sisters.
Wait, what did you say?
Going to secret locations.
Going to a secret location and they're gonna dance. Do you wish you were on that bus, JJ?
Uh-huh.
Why?
So there's so many girls.
JJ.
Vanessa's on that
Why
bus.
you want to get on that bus, JJ?
And Jasmine. And Taco Bell.
Bye.
Bye!
Fancy the Jacksonville Giants bus.
You're back.
Come on.
Did you have fun, Mariah?
No.
Did you girls have fun?
We went to Chick-fil-A and we went to her house.
Sunshine Nation, I had an amazing experience today and I need to share it with you. I have been in severe pain for the last 4 months, not being able to sleep at night, having shoulder pain that I couldn't even put my hair in a ponytail. This morning I woke up and I could hardly even put my pants on. My arms were shaking and I knew I needed to do something. So I went to a chiropractor in town and just in tears told him I needed help and that I couldn't afford to be put to sleep because my friend had this exact same procedure on her shoulder where you have to crack through all of the stuff that's frozen, have the frozen shoulder. And she was put to sleep, but I just didn't have the money to do that. We don't have health insurance. So I went to this fabulous doctor and you got to hear what happened today.
I felt so bad for my mom when she came home. Knowing all the pain she's gone through, I felt good for her too because I knew she's going to be able to move her arm more, but she still had to drive us to guitar lessons and Jaden to his basketball game and Mariah and Juliana to St. Augustine for their little trip that they're going on. And I felt really bad because she's still doing all this after she had to go through the pain she went through today. So I kind of felt like I wanted to take her pain for her and I felt bad. And she does so much for us and it makes me just have so much gratitude for her. I love her so much.
How you doing? I'm Dr. Brian Call. We're here at Coastal Integrative Healthcare in Palm Coast. So she has a shoulder problem, as you guys have been aware of, and she has what is deemed as some adhesions. They're called fibrotic adhesions. Muscles, you have to slide. Like when I move my bicep, it's got to slide in order for it to go. What happens is instead of sliding like this, those fibrotic adhesions connect due to inflammation or some micro traumas that happen and then cause a restriction inside of muscles, inside of joints, and that is causing pain. So whenever she moves too far, she gets a little bit of a tear inside the muscle that causes inflammation. Inflammation triggers nerves and causes pain. But if you separate it, then it allows for the tissue to slide and to move along with itself. We're going to do a joint mobilization inside of her shoulder, and it's going to break apart some of those fibrotic adhesions. We essentially take it to the end range, and we're going to force it to go further than where it's gone before to help open the joint capsule and to break down some of those adhesions.
Is it gonna hurt, doctor?
Yeah, it's probably gonna hurt.
Thank you. I trust you fully.
Okay. How'd you do?
The pain was so intense that I couldn't speak. I just kind of ride my legs around and kicked for a while, but I'm crying, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful because I can move it more now, and I've been in so much severe pain, so I'm still recovering. I've been shaking.
You did really well. You're a very strong and brave woman, because we went for the first pull, and it took a minute to get your composure.
Yeah.
And then she's like, "Okay, more. I need to go more." which is that's irregular. Most people are like, "That's it, I'm done. I have to come back to the next one." And she was ready for more, because it takes a few rounds of this.
Yeah.
And she was able to do more than most.
Thank you.
You're an animal.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so she did really good. So we did an ultrasound first, which is a deep heat therapy with a little bit of combo therapy, which is like electrical stimulation for the muscles to contract and relax, before we came and did this. After we did a joint injection prior to that. The reason we did that is we wanted to expand the tissue. So if you imagine like a bundle of spaghetti noodles, you try and break them all at once, it's very hard. You can do it, but it's hard. And so that's what happens with those adhesions when they lock and tie together like that. We inflate them with the fluid, make it so there's more space, and then it's like breaking them apart. Like you spread out your spaghetti noodles on the counter and you're snapping them a lot easier. So that's what we're trying to do. Inflate it, make more room, heat it so they separate easier, and then as the hard stuff is what she went through earlier, was just
break it apart. Oh, it was intense. It was intense. You were fabulous, though. Thank you so much.
She did really good.
That was some of the worst pain I've ever felt in my life, but it was so worth it. So worth it. It's just, you know, when you have the anticipation of a shot and then you're like, oh, that wasn't so bad. It really was super bad. So I'm grateful, though. I am so grateful. Hey, Sunshine Nation. I am going to be driving about 4 hours today. I have corn on my shoulder. That's a good ice pack. It's frozen corn. I was talking to Tyson here, and Tyson said, I wish I could take your pain from you. And I said, Tyson, you can't, because I know that Jesus felt the pain that I was feeling and the anxiousness and anxiety. I felt comforted that he was there. That was the biggest comfort. The pain was still there. I just keep crying when I think about that moment, that just fear of already having one of the holes and then knowing that it was going to happen again and the cracking was going to happen again. That anxiousness, I couldn't have done it had I not known that God had been through it before. God loves you. The key word is compassion. And if you don't have somebody in your life, like my friend Katie who was texting me, and then of course my mother, my mother-in-law, my children, and my husband, if you don't have anyone in your life to show you that compassion, if you have nobody else, you do have God. He loves you.
Baby, you are not alone. I am here with you. Though we're far away, I am here to stay. You are not alone. I am here with you. Though we're far apart, you're always in my heart. 'Cause you are not alone. You are not alone. I love you, sweetie.
For the last 4 months, I've only been able to raise my arm this way, like up to here. And this is not even healed. This is with me inflamed from everything today. But look how much more I can raise it up. You want to have the muscle strength again? Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Tyson, Sunshine Nation, do you see what he did? I haven't been able to reach up that far in 4 months. I can't even fix my hair, but look, I can go back now. It's not perfect yet. I'm gonna have to do more. But look at this. Before I could only go up to here. So I thank the doctor for not just putting a Band-Aid over things, but to getting to the root of the problem so that I can have a higher quality of life.
One of the things that we're very proud of is, besides doing like back pain, neck pain, spasms, all sorts of different things that you see here, is we do a variety of anti-aging therapies. like stem cell therapy. These stem cell therapies can do wonders in helping some of the tissue potentially regrow itself. We actually do stem cell facelifts, which is something that we're bringing on in this April, which is unreal. Yeah, let me see. I don't know if you can see.
Amazing.
This woman in her mid-70s had the stem cell lift, and then that was after. Now, obviously, isn't that crazy?
No way.
Yeah. Now it's different lighting, yes, and so we'll do it when we have it at our clinic. We'll do it with the same lighting and backdrop, kind of like a driver's license photo. So there's no disparity, but I mean, it's clear. You can see that there's definite changes.
People travel from all over for this, and I know that they worked wonders for me today. I'm grateful. Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.